If ChatGPT has been feeling slow, laggy, or taking forever to respond, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes you can try right now to speed things up. These steps are quick, beginner-friendly, and work whether you're using ChatGPT on a browser, laptop, phone, or tablet. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tips just like this. All right, let's fix it. First, check your internet speed. This is one of the most common reasons ChatGPT feels slow. If your connection is unstable, weak, or constantly dropping, replies can take much longer to load. Try opening another website to see if it's loading normally. If everything feels slow, the problem may be your connection, not ChatGPT. You can also switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or from mobile data back to Wi-Fi, depending on which one is faster and more stable. Sometimes just reconnecting to the internet can make a big difference. Next, refresh the page and restart your session. If ChatGPT is stuck, freezing, or just not responding properly, a simple refresh can clear temporary issues. On desktop, refresh the browser page and wait a few seconds for it to reload. If that doesn't help, close the browser completely and open it again. On mobile, fully close the app or browser and reopen ChatGPT. If the problem still continues, restart your device. This helps clear background glitches and can improve performance right away. Now, let's talk about prompt length, because this matters more than a lot of people realize. Very long prompts can slow down response time. If you ask ChatGPT to do too much at once, it may take longer to process the request and generate the answer. Instead of writing a huge paragraph, try breaking your request into smaller parts. For example, instead of saying, "Explain everything about marketing in detail," try, "Explain marketing in 5 points." Shorter prompts are usually faster, easier to process, and often give you clearer answers too. Another helpful tip is to avoid peak usage times when the servers may be busy. If lots of people are using ChatGPT at the same time, responses can slow down. This usually happens during busy hours, and sometimes the system just needs a little time to catch up. If you notice the delay keeps happening, wait a few minutes and try again. In some cases, switching to a less busy time of day can make the whole experience feel much smoother. If ChatGPT is still slow after trying these steps, you can also clear your browser cache, disable heavy extensions, or try a different browser. Sometimes extra extensions or old cached files can interfere with loading speed. But in most cases, checking your internet, refreshing the session, using shorter prompts, and avoiding peak times will solve the problem quickly. So to recap, first, check your internet speed and switch connections if needed. Second, refresh and restart ChatGPT or your device. Third, use shorter prompts so the system can respond faster. And fourth, try again outside of peak busy times if the servers are overloaded. These simple fixes can make a big difference and help ChatGPT feel much faster and more reliable. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tutorials and troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.